Hello everyone, welcome. This is a exercise 3 of PDF to vector. So I'm going to be taking this PDF file and these details, and I'm going to be converting this over to a to vector on AutoCAD. So I don't actually have a CAD file for this, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to take this PDF file onto AutoCAD. So let me go to my AutoCAD screen. So to get started, this is just like a go by, just a regular drawing. So I'm just gonna be moving this stuff over to the right side outside the border. Now I'm gonna be going to my top left corner, and I'm gonna go to import, and we're going to be clicking on PDF. So this one says import data from PDF file into the current drawing as object. So click on that one, and now you're going to get like a little square. So you're going to hover over to the bottom, and you're going to click on file. Now you're going to be navigating over to the drawing. So this one is, so there's 3 of them, so I'm clicking on the 3rd one, and you can use this as a go by. These are just like my default settings, and just click on OK. So now that PDF file just converted into vector. So I'm just gonna move it real quick outside the border, and now I'm gonna be selecting it, and I'm gonna tap in explode, and I'm gonna be deleting like the whole border outside. So now, as you can see, you got all the details in here. So it's a little bit smaller, so we're gonna actually scale it up by a little bit. So I'm gonna be taking like a regular text. So this text is set to 330 seconds, which is 0.0938. So I'm gonna be using this one basically. So there's a big difference. So I am going to draw a line across, and I'm going to be offsetting it by 0.0938. And I'm going to copy another line, and I'm going to move it right on top of it. So select everything in there and type in scale, enter. So click one time, and then like down here you're going to see a scale factor or copy or reference. You're going to click on reference, and then click your first point, your second, and now you're going to be clicking on your 3rd one. So if you guys put it over here, so it matches the 332nd, so you're good on that one. So this one's actually a little bit bigger, so we're gonna actually scale it a little bit down. So I'm just gonna hit Control Z for a little bit. So we're just gonna look at another one. So we're gonna be clicking on choosing this one then. Let me just double check if it's not the same size, and it is. Okay, we're gonna be clicking on this one. Sorry guys. Tap in scale. And you're gonna be clicking on the first point. And then you're gonna go down here where it says reference. Click on that one. And now you're gonna be clicking on the first point, the second, and then your third point again. So it should be enough for, I guess, for it to be let me just check real quick on this. Okay, so that one's a little bit bigger, so we're gonna be using this one. So offset. So we're gonna be selecting the whole thing, and we're gonna group it. And we're gonna draw another line right above it. And we're gonna click on it one time, type in scale, click on your first point, and then we're gonna hover down here and we're gonna click on reference. Click your first point, your second, and then your third point. So now you actually got it to the right size. So I guess for now the next step is to make change the layers from everything that's in white over to the right color, like the TXT layer, and also just give all the line work like a different color. I'm choosing the wire layer on this one, which is green. So I'm just gonna pause the video real quick. Okay, so now I finished putting everything on the right layers. So all my text is yellow, everything else is on it's green, and it just for dimensions I put it on blue. So now this is actually good to go onto the border. And let me just delete this real quick. So now everything looks consistent. So if I try to PDF this, sorry. As you can see, it looks black and white, so that's what we're looking for. Everything looks like pretty normal. So as you can see, like it came out perfect, so everything looks great on this one. So if you know, that concludes this lesson. Thank you guys. If you guys like this video, hit the like button, and also for weekly videos, subscribe. And for everything, you know, I know everything is going hard with the pandemic, so stay healthy, stay safe, wear a mask, and thank you.